Hello. Hi, Srividya. Are you able to hear me?
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Hello. I'm good. बस ये मैं यही चालू कर रही हूँ.
Okay. Welcome, Sheetal.
ये Zoom बंद होने वाला है.
हाँ?
Zoom बंद होने वाला है.
किसने बोला?
पूछ रही हूँ. कह रहे थे ना TikTok बंद हो गया, ये बंद हो गया.
हाँ, टिकटॉक बंद हो गया. तो Zoom तो नहीं बंद हुआ, तो
Zoom
Zoom
भी तो
चाइनीज नहीं
चाइनीज
रहेगा.
है.
किसने? चाइना एक्चुअली तो अमेरिकन है.
चाइना अमेरिका का है.
चाइना अमेरिका का नहीं है, Zoom अमेरिका
Zoom
का है.
Zoom अमेरिका का. Okay.
Thank you, Atul. I'm logging.
Welcome.
Actually, just
Yes.
my camera is not working, so I'll see later on what happened with Zoom.
ठीक है.
Good afternoon, Srividya.
Afternoon, Sheetal ji.
और क्या चल रहा है?
श्रीविद्या ने लास्ट टाइम अपने को लेमन का बोला, वो बीच में रह गया अपना. So I have lemon. Now she told that about केसर saffron.
अब ठीक है. अब लाइट बहुत है. 3 बजे स्टार्ट करेंगे. पिछले अगर कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं ऑलरेडी. आएंगे, टाइम लगेगा. लास्ट वीक जिन्होंने भी किया था रिचुअल, वो सब है, आ रहे हैं. मैसेज तो मैंने
आने तो
किया
चाहिए.
रिपोर्ट लेना है ना.
कुठं होतं?
आप फेसबुक पे लाइव हो गए? मुझे वो
जी.
दे दीजिएगा.
हाँ, दे रहा हूँ. मैंने अभी ये फेसबुक का लिंक शेयर कर दिया.
मैं बस अपने पेज पे डाल रही हूँ.
हाँ जी, ग्रेट.
Thank you, Atul.
आप भी शेयर कर दो अपने फेसबुक पे.
काफी व्यूज हुए. लास्ट टाइम के ऑलमोस्ट 1300 व्यूज हुए.
फैंटास्टिक.
ये वो नहीं है शायद. कैचिंग ब्रीड है.
Here you go.
We're just waiting for some people to join in.
Yes.
ये 3
And
बजे का टाइम
I've,
अच्छा है.
मैं ये पूछना चाहता 3 बजे का टाइम डू यू रियली थिंक कि अच्छा है? क्योंकि हमें
हाँ.
उतने लोग नहीं आए 3 बजे.
Not really. 3 बजे नहीं. और ना मतलब लोग ऑफिस में रहेंगे, कुछ लोग कहाँ रहेंगे. हमको शाम को करना चाहिए एक्चुअली. मेरे हिसाब से अपना जो CEO टॉक्स पहले मॉर्निंग में था, we should start it in the night.
I don't know night what time, because night there are quite a few things which are happening. Say night
Okay,
the Dubai circuit is live, so I was thinking how about going back to the morning 9:30 thing.
That was okay, na? I think Atul, it was very nice time.
Yes, even I think so, because all
but
those who are
many
regular
people
there.
who are working in the office, they are not able to come. Na?
Now,
ऐसा कुछ
No,
नहीं.
see, that's fine. See, those who are entrepreneurs, they manage their life
हाँ.
accordingly,
yes.
right?
And हमारा main तो enterprise का.
Bilkul. Because afternoon, we've not had that kind of response.
No, I don't know. 3 से 4 तो आप लोगों में से किसी ने बोला ना, बहुत
वो
अच्छा है.
मैंने ही बोला था
मैं
कि
भी.
जी you done with your office and you're looking at you still not headed back home. So that was the logic behind 3 o'clock.
Okay. If there are not much people, then let's not do it. What the hell?
Yeah, so we'll have to think about it. But
Why
fantastic. Today is the 99th talk and we've got Sri Vidya with us. From tomorrow, we will get into 3 digits. Tomorrow is the 100th talk and I'm really excited about it. And today is the last conversation that we are going to have, which will be a 2-digit thing. All right. So
Okay.
thanks, Sri Vidya, for being here.
Okay, 99 not out.
Yes, 99 not out. So thanks for coming over. I'm really excited about today, and things have actually started shifting. There's a lot of shift in the money space, the manner in which the planet is working, the manner in which the country is working. Last week when we were there, the Chinese apps were still alive. Now they are not alive. So there is so much which has changed. So let us hear from Sri Vidya. What are your takes on how the planet is moving right now? While there are others who will keep on joining us.
Like I had done a live about say 2 days back or something. I had actually informed the people that this, one second, I have noted it down because there was a lot of issues. So probably we can also talk about that because there was there's a Neptune retrograde. And Neptune is a planet which actually creates a lot of, now it will be lasting for about 5 months. So Neptune actually is a planet which actually is a planet where, you know, dreams hote hain, where, it's a planet which supports those parameters. But now when it is retrograde का मतलब बहुत लोग पूछते हैं what is retrograde? Retrograde is when a planet, actually the planet doesn't move ulta. You know, it's an illusion, optical illusion that it happens like that. It moves, we feel that it is moving backward, but aisa nahi hai, but it's a retrograde. That's what they call it, as a retrograde. So these 5 months are going to be really good for growth. It's going to be good for strengthening. It's going to be good for spiritual evolvement. People who are looking around for, you know, changes in their life and different. आपको लगता होगा कि, you know, there's so much of things happening. This is not going right. That's not going right. But this is the time for you to introspect and just wait, breathe, and just understand what is happening. There'll be a lot of illusions that will be broken. Many of the illusions, you know, relationship के illusions होंगे. कुछ you must have thought that हाँ ये ऐसा होने वाला है, वैसा होने वाला है. Those illusions will be broken and you will come to reality. आप reality face करने लगोगे कि this is what is the fact, and now from here how
This is from when till when?
This will be for next 5 months. It started on 23rd June almost. 22nd June से start हो गया है. So that's why last week people must have really found बहुत सारे ऐसे दोस्त आपके जो दोस्त
Madam, the volume
हैं.
is very low. Speak a little
Volume
loudly.
is low. Is it better now?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is better.
definitely
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
Better.
Okay. So ऐसा है कि people who think that these are your friends and you're gonna, you know, um, those many things actually there'll be a reality check. Okay, there will be a reality check where you will see that जो friends सोचते थे आप these are your friends will not be your friends anymore. ऐसा possibility है. Okay, manifestation power will increase because there's a lot of time for you to introspect within yourself. I have given a remedy. You all also can do that remedy. What you do is early morning, like the moment you get up, you just inhale about, you just sit down for about say 5 to 6 minutes. जैसे आप bed पे हो, not even got up. Just do a little bit of, you know, in 11.
Madam, I think your mic is not positioned properly. The volume is
No,
very feeble.
no, Ravi. So we are able to hear. So there is some issue at your end.
आप अपना
We are able
volume
to hear
बढ़ा
it.
कर लो, Ravi. Think, let me try this. Is it better now? I look like
No, we are able to hear you, Srivita.
okay. So what you can do is you can do a simple exercise that you wake up in the morning. The moment you're on the bed, still lying around, you do 11. हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? सुनाई दे रहा है सबको?
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है.
Yes,
तो
yes.
आप जैसे बेड पे बैठे हो ना, तभी आप एक काम कर लेना. आप 11 मतलब एक 11 का साइकिल रखिएगा. 11 का साइकिल के बारे में भी I will explain how it works with you. So you inhale, like you have long inhalation and long exhalation. So when you're inhaling, you have to have an intent that I'm inhaling the positive energy of the day today. वो डे जैसा भी है, जो भी है, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, व्हाटएवर इट इज, आई इनहेल द पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ द डे टुडे एंड आई एक्सहेल एनीथिंग दैट डज नॉट सर्व मी एनीमोर. आपको लॉन्ग इनहेलेशन और लॉन्ग एक्सहेलेशन करना है एटलीस्ट 11 टाइम्स. यू डू इट एंड यू सी यू विल हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एनर्जी शिफ्ट. आपके ब्लड सर्कुलेशन में भी चेंजेस आएंगे बिकॉज रेट्रोगेड में क्या होता है, there is a lot of toxins also, you know, that you actually because there is so much of things which are changing around you. आपके aura में वो affect करता है. That's the reason I say do inhalation and exhalation. 11 cycle करोगे तो भी चलेगा. मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like one inhale and exhale is one cycle. So 11 आप करेंगे early morning, so it will help you a lot. And yes, this 5 months, many people, this will be very divided. Like there'll be one set of people who will be doing fast manifestation, and one set of people who will be like, you know, they will be getting into like too much of understanding क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. So if you really want to make the best out of this time, this 5 months, is okay, fine. समझो क्या हो रहा है, understand what is happening around you, but don't get too much into the why. ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. Allow it to happen and let it pass by. अगर वो करेंगे तो there you will be able to create a lot of desired reality. Illusions हट जाएंगे. Okay, illusions हट जाएंगे. So you will be able to create a lot of desired reality. Get your things focused. यहाँ पे ये 5 महीना हो सकता है कि आप डाइवर्ट होते रहें. Means बहुत सारे opportunities आएंगे. उसमें से you have to choose, pick and choose. Don't jump on everything that is coming. जो opportunities will be coming, 50% of them will be illusion, will be just illusion. And 50% possibly will be the real ones. So I will, what today I wanted to give you is to activate the money energies within your space and within your aura. Whoever is, you're all late. ये लोग सब late क्यों हैं? We already discussed a lot. So all those
Maybe
who
they
have
already have
missed
a lot
it,
of money.
all those who have missed the early, you know, the early 5 minutes, you can please watch the Facebook live. And also do join the meetings. I think from tomorrow we have a different schedule of meeting. Atul will be updating you guys on that. And please share it with your people. You have no idea that the more you share the positive messages, the more things will happen magically in your life. We have a very big very beautiful byline saying, give abundance to get abundance. आप जितना दोगे ना, यूनिवर्स कहीं ना कहीं से magically आपको multifold देता है. So we were talking about the Neptune retrograde. So this 5 months, you have to actually get into a space where you have your goal set. You create your you design your stuff like this, like, you know, हाँ मुझे ये करना है. This is what I have to achieve. Because you will, I mean, after 5 months, you will not even realize कि ये अच्छा period था. I just missed it. And it's not only for one person, it's for majorly all the people. And like high benefits will be for number one person, number one people, number 5, number 6, and number 1, 5, 6, and 3. Yeah, these people, I mean, the people who are born on 1, 10, 19, 19, 28. So when your birth number, if your birth number calculates to 1, then this 5 months you can create a lot of new realities for you. दूसरे
So
लोगों के
does this
लिए
new
भी
reality
अच्छा
mean
है.
a lot of money?
It can be a lot of money. It can be a lot of knowledge. It can be a lot of path breaking thought patterns. Money is an outcome, Atul, and money is a behavior. Money
Okay.
is an outcome. Money is an attitude. All right.
All right.
If I'm going to give you something extra, if I'm giving you value for whatever I'm doing, extra value, so money would come automatically from whichever space it has to come. My intention here has to be that let me give you something that I bring. If in your whole life, like your journey from zero to wherever you are, if I'm able to create about, say, a 2% or a 3% shift every day by some of my words, then that means that I'm giving you value. I'm adding some value in your life. And money has the tendency to, you don't have to run after it. It will come automatically. And money patterns are a behavior. हमारे बहुत सारे patterns ऐसे होते हैं where we actually avoid money. कितने लोगों के पास ऐसे problems होते हैं कि they have money, but they tend to lose it. I'm working with so many different clients who have, like, you know, rags to riches, and then from riches to stagnant. They don't know what to do. और बहुत लोगों की ऐसी problem होती है कि शेर की सवारी होती है. Now you are already in a lavish, you're very much in a lavish zone. अब आपको बनाए रखना पड़ता है. So I'm dealing with clients who have taken loans just to maintain the lifestyle. It's not necessary. You don't have to take loans to maintain lifestyle. You have to create new streams of income. You have to understand your skills. And you have to, today, if you're doing a particular business, you have to at least see 3 years ahead, beyond. Will this be the same, you know, will the same traction be there, tangent aisa hoga? Yeah, what changes or what new can I get in my own business? Because there are so many people today who are like lost. They don't know what to do. I mean, they had never thought कि, you know, but कि ये हम ऐसे period में हम कैसे पैसे generate करेंगे. But how you have leveraged this, you know, this crisis as an opportunity. I mean, you need to do a talk on this. I mean, people really need to know this. Like, you know, people must be wondering now, some people who have this meetings, and, you know, they have this kind of stuff, how would they, I mean, how are they going to function? Just by jumping onto online or digital will not work. You have to give essence. आज अगर मैं CEO Talks के साथ connected हो गई हूँ again, when there was a point of time when I didn't know what it is. Today I'm understanding, and that's why I tell people to join. I tell people to join करके देखो, you'll understand the value. Maybe इसमें से कुछ topics मुझे जब आप भेजते हो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता. I'm there, but something you know, when you are in conversation with people who have been there, done that, you tend to learn maybe at least something. It's not
Absolutely.
waste. It's time invested. It's not time wasted. एक चीज
Right.
भी कोई आपके काम के मिल जाती है. Now, I mean, I was not very online person. Okay. And now I'm like, okay, my courses are online. And, you know, I don't have to, I didn't know the benefits of online. I would like, "Nee yaar, I don't know, I cannot do it on the online and it will not work." Now I'm so comfortable with the online sessions, but it's okay. Now I have video sessions, we have, so making money and getting money in your life you have to raise your vibration. So vibration raise करने के लिए we have spoken how to raise the vibration. Now how to raise the vibration esoterically. Here, why I'm telling you, I mean, all of you who have joined in, I think there are not much people. Later on, they can check it. But people who are not on the sessions, if you're not going to message me later on, I'm sure I'm not going to answer you. Sorry, because you have to be online. You have to be live for the session to get the benefits of it. The energies work differently here. And later on, you'll be texting me and typing, and I will not. You can take my paid sessions for that. So all those who have a 20 rupee note, oh wow, this 20 rupee note, it looks 2 rupees. Ulta dikh raha hai. Okay, so the 20 rupee note, and I told you to get a saffron, 3 strands of saffron. Have you managed to get it?
No, I did not get it, but yeah, others may have.
ठीक है, तो बाद में कर लेना. Do it before the day ends today, or do it by latest by before Friday, because Friday eclipse है. उसके पहले कर लो, तो you will see a lot of money energy in your life.
Okay.
Compass जिन्होंने download कर लिया है, what you have to do, I'll show you the technique because most of you must be not having saffron. केसर बोलते हैं जिसको. आपको 3 strand केसर लेना है, 20 रुपए का नोट लेना है. और ये आपको ये नोट का फोल्डिंग जो है वो थोड़ा टेक्निकल है. You have to make a pyramid out of this. So this is the note. You first fold it like this. You fold a triangle. Then you fold another triangle. ऐसे बाद में मैं saffron के साथ क्या करना है वो बताऊंगी. Then you fold it again as a triangle, and then you make it as a pyramid, and this one you lock it. This becomes your note. Is it easy to understand?
Yeah.
Can you please unwind once again? I can see.
Yeah, I will show it to you. It's okay if your 20 is seen outside or inside. Actually, आपको क्या करना है? पहले तो आपको saffron लेना है. And
Got
you
it.
have to do this, man. You have to, the 3 strands of saffron that you take. आपने saffron के साथ, मतलब जो 3 strands saffron है, वो you will actually put it a little bit in water and you will take it out. उसका वो कलर बहुत कम पानी में डालना ताकि उसका वो रंग आए आपके पास. Are you understanding what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
केसर का वो रंग आना चाहिए.
Yes.
और जैसे वो रंग आता है, आपको इसमें स्वस्तिक बनाना है, लेकिन मैंने एक सिखाया है वैसे स्वस्तिक बनाना है आपको. I will show it to you with my web pen. I don't know, then I will not be able to use this note. आपने जो स्वस्तिक है वो ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है, आपको कट नहीं करना है. I will show you. मेरे यहाँ पे आपको उल्टा दिखेगा, आपको सीधा करना है because I am on a selfie camera. Alright? वो केसर से,
Srividya, which one is your right hand and left hand? So we'll recognize
this
that.
is my right hand
Okay.
and this is my left hand.
Okay. Got
So
it.
I will show you with this pen how to draw this swastik. You draw it with a केसर का तिलक. आपको अपनी ये वाली उंगली यूज करनी है. The ring
Perfect.
finger, ठीक है?
Right
और
hand.
किसी को रिंग फिंगर, हाँ, राइट हैंड के रिंग फिंगर से आपको जो है वो ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है. स्वस्तिक आपको दिख रहा है सब ये ऐसे? Can you see it clearly? Is it visible? Okay. You will draw like this. Oh, there are some people waiting in the room. Oh God, what happened? Admit all. All right, can we? I'll do it again. I think there was some. You need to draw a like this. First, आपने अपने पेपर पे ऐसे करना है यहाँ तक. दिख रहा है? क्लियर है?
Got it.
5 के जैसा दिख रहा है ना ये?
हाँ 5 के जैसा ही दिखेगा आपको।
Got it.
उसके बाद आपको ये यहाँ पे ऐसे लेना है, ये ऐसे लेना है, ये ऐसे लेना है, ये ऐसे लेना है। क्लियर?
Okay.
आपको
Okay.
स्वस्तिक को काटना नहीं। ये देखिए मेरे हाथों में ब्लू इंक लग गया। I will demonstrate with a finger. आपने ये उंगली है, ये ऐसे जाइए, ऐसे जाइए, ऐसे जाइए, ऐसे जाइए। उसके बाद ऐसे करिए, ऐसे करिए, ऐसे करिए, ऐसे करिए। आपने स्वस्तिक को काटना नहीं है। और फिर उसके बाद वो उतने से ही केसर के पानी से आपको करना है। फिर यू हैव टू टेक, ये आप कहाँ करेंगे, छोटा सा स्वस्तिक जो यहाँ व्हाइट दिख रहा है आपको, नए नोट में भी है, नए 20 रुपए के नोट में भी है। ये आपको मेरा स्वस्तिक दिखेगा नहीं बिकॉज इट मस्ट हैव गॉट इरेज्ड, बट इट इज देयर। इफ यू कैन, आपको दिख रहा है, शायद दिख रहा होगा। तो यहाँ पे आप वो छोटी उंगली से, मान लीजिए आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि बहुत, यू कैन मेक अ वेरी स्मॉल स्वीट स्वस्तिक हियर। 1 2 3 1 2, आपको पैटर्न याद करना है। 1 2 3 1 2 3। क्लियर? 1 2 3 1 2 3, ये आपने बना दिया। उसके बाद आपको वही उसी जगह के अंदर यहाँ पे ही वो तीनों सैफरन के टुकड़े को रखना है। ये बहुत मैजिकल वर्क करता है, ट्रस्ट मी। उसको रखना है, देन यू हैव टू फोल्ड इट। ये पहला फोल्ड हुआ आपका ट्रायंगल। उसके बाद आप इसको ऐसे पकड़िए, फिर इसको ऐसे फोल्ड कर लीजिए, ये हो गया। फिर आप इसको फिर से ऐसे फोल्ड कर लीजिए, तीसरा ट्रायंगल हो गया। सो यू मेड इट 3 दिस फोल्ड्स। फिर ये ऐसा हो जाएगा। इसको आपने फिर से ऐसे फोल्ड करके, यू कैन पुट अ टेप और समथिंग, बट एंश्योर that your pyramid is always straight in your cash box or in your wallet. समझ रहे हो? ये ऐसे वैसे नहीं होना, ये ऐसे ही होना चाहिए। अब समझ में आ रहा है?
Okay.
किसी को कोई बना के दिखाएगा तो probably we can check how it is. किसी को समझ में आया है, नहीं आया है, क्या इशू है बताइए। इंटेंट, जब आप स्वस्तिक बना रहे हो तो आपने ये कह, मतलब योर इंटेंट हैज टू बी दैट मनी इज फ्लोइंग टू मी विद, आई मीन यू नो, विद ईज, विद टोटल ईज। बिकॉज आप जो है अभी, आपने जो अभी नया स्वस्तिक जो आप बना रहे हो, जो सीख रहे हो, उसमें आप अपने एनर्जीज को कट नहीं करते। इज इट क्लियर?
Right.
Yes.
So you all know now how to make this pyramid?
Yeah, got it. Srividya,
Madam,
can
Madam, how many swastik should I draw on the note?
One. Here. ये गांधी जी हैं, इस तरह। ठीक है?
Okay, madam.
And you keep the, and now comes the compass का। Now all of
Srividya,
you have,
Srividya,
हाँ जी बोलो।
आपने जो ड्रॉ किया है
आराम
व्हाइट,
से
व्हाइट इस पे जो ड्रॉ
पेपर
किया
पे
है
फिर से
आपने,
दिखा दो।
हाँ एक
हाँ।
बार दिखा दो। या
फिर से दिखा देती हूँ कपूर। ओके, ये है। आपने जरा नोटिस करो, ये मेरा राइट हैंड है। आपने पहले ये वाला जो है 1 2 3, ये 1 2 3 4, क्लियर है? ये किया 1 2 3 4, फिर आपने किया ये 1 2 3 4। आप जो पहले लोग बनाते हैं वो स्वस्तिक काटते हैं ना, हमें काटना नहीं है। मुझे वो वाला तो मुझे याद ही नहीं रहता जब से मैंने ये रेमेडी सीखी। 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4। अगर किसी को आदत है ये ऐसे बनाने की तो आप इसको ऐसे ले सकते हो। कुछ लोगों को आदत होती है ये ऐसे करने की, वो आप उसको कर सकते हो। आई डोंट हैव एन इशू, बट आपने आपके स्वस्तिक को काटना नहीं है। एम आई क्लियर? ये आपको मेरे कैमरा में उल्टा दिखेगा, but I will try, and I think I have a video. I will send it to you. Just send me a hi. So probably I can send it to you. But I think आपको समझ आ गया होगा ना? Easy है, कोई बना के दिखाएगा तो समझ आ जाएगा। आप एक्शन करके दिखा दो तो क्लियर हो जाएगा। Anybody wants to do it? उसके बाद का प्रोसेस समझ में आया आपको? स्वस्तिक वो केसर आपने पानी में, जिनके पास रोज वाटर है ना वो रोज वाटर यूज करना, नहीं तो नॉर्मल पानी यूज करना, बिकॉज रोज वाटर आल्सो हैज द पावर टू अट्रैक्ट वेल्थ। फिर आपने वो 3 जो स्वस्तिक बना दिया है, आपने उसको इसके अंदर रख देना है. Then you fold it like this, like this, like this, and like this. And then it becomes. Most of the time आपका जो 20 है ना, वो आपको ऊपर दिखेगा, because this 20 will come up. समझ रहे हो? दिख रहा है? क्लियर है?
Yeah.
राइट, क्लियर है.
मैं हेलो
हाँ बोलिए.
मैं थोड़ा लेट आया.
आप कौन?
रमेश पतनानी.
ओके. जो आगे का है प्रोसेस वो आप समझ चुके हैं, वो बाद में सुन लेना. 20 रुपीज का नोट लेना है आपको. 20 रुपया का ही लेना है. नो अदर डिनोमिनेशन.
या लिया.
हाँ, तो आपने जो 3 केसर लिए हैं, 3 स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ केसर, उसमें से आपको कलर आ जाएगा. उसको आपको छोटे से प्लेट में रख के थोड़ा सा रोज वाटर या नॉर्मल वाटर डालना है. उसका कलर थोड़ा सा वो जब तक उसका कलर नहीं निकलता, वो प्लेन व्हाइट पानी में से नहीं करना है स्वस्तिक. गेट इट वेरी क्लियर. ओके. वो केसर का जो पानी होता है थोड़ा सा, उसका आपको इधर स्वस्तिक बनाना है. हाँ, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. लेकिन स्वस्तिक वैसे बनाना है जैसे हमने बताया है. फिर से बताते हैं. ये ऐसे 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 और ये ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. आपको स्वस्तिक को काटना नहीं है. आपको स्वस्तिक को काटना नहीं है. ये आपने ऐसे 1 2 3 4 बनाया. ये आपने 1 2 3 4 बनाया.
शिवविद्या जी.
हाँ जी.
गुड आफ्टरनून.
गुड आफ्टरनून. और फिर आपने जैसे ये फोल्ड कर दिया, सैफरन डाल के स्वस्तिक बना के, ये, और इसको आपने, you have to always see that it is maintaining this same position, that the 20 which is seen, mostly the 20 is seen up only. You have to maintain this like this. ये इसको ऐसे नहीं रखना है, ऐसे नहीं रखना है, इसको ऐसे रखना है. This goes in your cash box or in your wallet. But how? Like now you will use your compass. आपके कंपास को यूज करेंगे. आप साउथ ईस्ट चेक करेंगे. आपके घर का साउथ ईस्ट. आपके घर के साउथ ईस्ट में ये आपके घर के साउथ ईस्ट में ये 72 आवर्स के लिए रहेगा. ऐसे you can keep something next to it. This is little technical. ये थोड़ा सा एनर्जी वर्क है. आप साउथ ईस्ट कॉर्नर में इसको ऐसे रखेंगे. as the pyramid will stay as like this. क्लियर है? समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
हाँ जी.
72 आवर्स के बाद आप इसको अपने कैश बॉक्स में रखेंगे, लेकिन कभी भी ऐसे ही रखेंगे. अगर वो गिर जाता है तो आपको कैश बॉक्स में इसको चिपकाना पड़ेगा. You have no other option. It has to not be like this or like this. It has to be like this. Am I clear on this?
Yeah.
कोई शक, कोई सवाल? हाँ.
Madam, it can be southeast corner of the room I keep it, or it's southeast corner of the house is kitchen. So what do I do?
No, keep it in the southeast of your room. Kitchen में मत जाइए.
Okay, southeast corner of the puja room is all right.
Yeah, brilliant. Why not?
Okay.
But 72 hours. केसर, आपने केसर से, you took the 20 rupee note, you did the केसर का procedure, you made a pyramid, you put it in the southeast corner for 72 hours. 72 hours के बाद आपका southeast corner जो है वो activate हो जाएगा to attract money for you. How does it get better than that?
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. I actually use the kesar to draw the swastik, is it?
Yes.
I use the kesar to draw the swastik. Swastik
The
on the note. Okay.
Yes. With that, I normally say 3 strands because people say jada. You can use a little more. I don't have a problem. But 3 has to be the minimum. To create the kesar ka pani, you need kesar ka water. You need at least 3 strands se wo pani. It gives you that saffron color.
Okay, it can be a little more also if required.
Yeah, of course, but then people say that oh, saffron is expensive. They don't realize the benefits. But once the benefit starts coming,
Okay.
then they use the whole dabba.
People also say Nimbu is expensive.
Who told you limbu is expensive?
People here.
Okay. आप लोगों के लाइफ में जब से आपने नींबू का प्रोसीजर एंड लास्ट वीक वी डिड समथिंग what are the shifts? Would you please talk about it, because we would really like to know what are the shifts in the energies.
Shrividya, let me share.
Please.
Yeah, I told you that, na. I saw that.
That
Nebula.
mongoose.
Yes, twice while we're talking. Okay, but there was no like a physical shift, frankly speaking. Okay, and another thing is that I found that opportunities are coming, that people are that kind of come across with new projects. Now you told today that may be of illusion.
Some may be illusion, some will be real. Badi
Yeah.
badi jo which are not, which your mind cannot comprehend. इस बार ना जब नेपच्यून रेट्रोग्रेड में थोड़ा दिल और दिमाग दोनों को कोऑर्डिनेट करके सोचना है. Otherwise I always tell people यहाँ से सोचो, but इस बार आपको यहाँ से दोनों सोचना है.
That always
I think
happens, no, Shrividya?
no.
And then we go in a confusion
See,
then.
No, I'll tell you a very brilliant technique. आपने सोचा, you got it. Now sleep into that thought.
Okay.
Say, if this is right for me, give me a signal in the morning, that, and ask for a message which you can understand in your language. आप बोलो मुझे कोई लाल कपड़े वाली लड़की दिखा दो, या मुझे ऐसा, you know, maybe I switch on the television and I get an answer. You have to ask universe how to communicate with you. Universe in English nahi samajhta, frequency samajhta.
Yeah.
So you have to ask for the signals. आपको मिलेंगे signals. अगर नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो you can always connect to me on 703-901-1755.
Thank you.
So I have taken a psychic reading from Shrividya, and I will be honest, मैंने कोई भी lemon वाला नहीं किया, because I have always followed up on the Facebook and not on live. So Shrividya refuses to entertain when we are not live over here. That is, I am taking out my office time to see her video. But you understand that I am taking out time because I have got benefits from her psychic reading, and I am sparing this time just to understand what is she showing. चाहे अभी मुझे नहीं आएगा, I will see in the repeat telecast in the on the Facebook. But her आज तक मैंने ऐसे reliefs और ऐसे shifts experience नहीं करे हैं अभी तक, जो भी मैंने life में experience किया. I'm 42 years old. I will be dead honest that she is worth what she says, and actually she manages to give those shifts. I'm really thankful. I am calmed down, I'm peaceful, and I'm getting returns. I'm getting what I never expected.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Aarti.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aarti, for trusting the divine.
Yes,
grace.
yes, absolutely.
Because it's His grace.
I totally agree the connect, because then if you are open to receiving, Shri is open to giving, and the divine is giving it to her. Definitely.
Thank you so much. Any
I
questions?
would like to share something. Ma'am.
Please, lovely. Please share. I love share. हाँ जी बोलिए.
I would like to share
Please
something.
share. Shripad ji, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Whatever you have told. I attended 2 of your sessions. First one was Limbu wala for 7 days. I did it at home as well as at office.
Wonderful.
First day I did it for factory, but factory is 15 kilometers away from my place. So next day onwards, I told my son to do that in factory, and I used to do it at home. At my home, I didn't observe much things, but over first 2 days, that particular नींबू, द
हाँ
लेमन, जहाँ रखा था, वो जो डिश रखी थी वो इतनी काली और गंदी दिख रही थी कि आई थॉट द
हम डर
नेगेटिव
गए थे।
थिंग्स, yeah,
होता है
negative things are collected and I threw it away and I didn't share it with anybody. But
तीसरे चौथे दिन के बाद नॉर्मल हो गया होगा।
normal हो गया, yeah. But I didn't share it with homemates also because they may feel
They'll get
something
scared.
wrong.
They will get scared. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, they will get scared. But 7 दिन के बाद मेरे बेटे ने ऐसा बताया कि फैक्ट्री में उसने दूसरे दिन से 7वें दिन तक जो किया, तो every day he was getting darkness shade to be lesser and at last day he got almost clean. But
Amazing.
First 4 days it was so ugly, you know, it was so bad, dark and some जैसे बुरशी बोलते हैं ना मराठी में,
हाँ हाँ
बुरशी,
समझा।
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ तो गंदा उधर कलेक्ट होता था वो नींबू के आसपास में और नमक के आसपास में। दैट इज द एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट नींबू। उसके बाद हमने लवंग का प्रयोग किया है, तो उसके बाद कम से कम ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा है कि देयर आर अपॉर्चुनिटीज कमिंग। ओके, नथिंग इज येट कन्वर्टेड एज सच, बट कोविड के दौरान फैक्ट्रियां बंद हो रही है और उसके दौरान अपने को कुछ ना कुछ इंक्वायरी मिल रही है। दैट इज आल्सो गुड।
इंक्वायरीज, हाँ, दैट्स वेरी नाइस। इंक्वायरी आ रही है, अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है नहीं करना। देखिए, हमने जो प्रोसेस किया उसके बाद 22 जून को नेपच्यून रेट्रोग्रेड हुआ। ये तो प्लैनेट का होना है, मैं उसमें क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं नहीं चलाती ना, वो चलाता है। तो अभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, अभी क्या होगा, पहले मतलब व्हाट हैपेंस इज, पहले आपके जितने अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं भी आ रहे थे, अभी बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो आएंगे, बट आपको इसमें से चेक करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है, और आपको मतलब इन्वेस्ट इन द राइट प्लेस। एंड पीपल हु आर बोर्न ऑन वर्क, आई मीन यू नो, हु हैव द, जैसे कहते हैं आपका बेस नंबर जो 1 है, 3 है, 5 है, 6 है, इन लोगों के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा। आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीजें मिलेंगी, बाकी लोगों के लिए इट विल बी गुड, बट 1, 3, 5, 6 यू गोना हैव अ वेरी नाइस टाइम। तो अगर आप कुछ नया कर रहे हैं, so go ahead do. My only suggestion to people who are born on 7, do not sign legal documents without reading them properly. There'll be hidden agendas. You tend to be cheated during this time, so be careful.
ये बेस फिगर,
मतलब मान लीजिए आपका बर्थडे मान लो आप 16 को पैदा हुए हो, so it's 6 + 1 7. So so don't sign legal documents without checking.
मतलब पूरी डेट नहीं पकड़ने की, सिर्फ द डेट ऑफ द डे।
नहीं, ये जो मैं मतलब I will definitely share I will let you know the things. You can also you will get the daily, आपको daily, जिनको daily predictions चाहिए होते हैं, you can always connect to me. I will tell you how to get across to that also. But 7 number वालों को do not sign legal documents without seeing the details. Cheating के बहुत ज़्यादा, basically 7 people, these 5 months you need to be very careful. 7 का मतलब है 7, 16, 25, right? Yeah, 7, 16, 25. जो born हुए हैं, they have to be careful. अगर आप मतलब अगर आप इन लोगों के साथ बिजनेस भी करते हैं तो इट कैन बी वाइस वर्सा। आपने अगर आप इनके साथ बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो भी आपको केयरफुल रहना है डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ में, वो अगर आपके साथ कर रहे हैं तो भी केयरफुल रहना, बिकॉज देयर बी something that will create a commotion or a confusion, or there be some misunderstanding. That is what's going to happen. So हमने जो मॉर्निंग का रेमेडी दिया है, please watch the video, please share the video. Sharing is caring. The more you give, the more you get. Give abundance to get abundance. आप ये वीडियो जितना शेयर करेंगे, आपको अंदाजा नहीं है आपको कितना बेनिफिट होगा। हम रिपीट टेलीकास्ट नहीं देते हैं ना, लेकिन आप रिपीट देख सकते हो। This will be on air.
You mean ये
live.
फेसबुक पर ये फेसबुक
Facebook
पर
पे
फिर
है
से
ना?
देखा जाए ऐसा?
फेसबुक पे आप प्लीज देखिए, बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग के जो हमने आपको रेमेडी दिए हैं, बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में अर्ली मॉर्निंग आई हैव टोल्ड यू गाइस टू डू अ स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइज विद द इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन. You try doing it. The third day itself you will tell me that, oh, this is very interesting. और कोई अपने अच्छे experiences share करना चाहता है तो please share. I love to listen to nice experiences. बाकी सब शांत.
Yeah, so I would like to share. So for me also there has been a lot of positive shift. This the Nimbu Namak thing, I did it for 4 days, and for one day I definitely remember that there were some I think yellow shades or some other shades. Okay, and I managed to do it only for 4 days. And
So you will again do it 7 days continuously. If you want full benefits, आपको सरंगा करना पड़ेगा 7 दिन.
ठीक है, surrender ही तो नहीं होता.
सरेंडर नहीं, सरंगा कहते हैं उसको. 7 दिन.
अच्छा.
7 दिन को सरंगा कहते हैं.
All right. And second is that the glove thing, it's there in the wallet. उसका तो अभी तक खोल कर देखा नहीं है.
वॉलेट में पैसे रहते हैं सबके?
थोड़ा सा तो रहते हैं, उतने की है बस.
करने के लिए तो रख दिए.
मैडम रविचंद्रन from Chennai.
खर्चे होते रहते हैं.
लेकिन रिफिल हो जाता है ना.
But ये है कि जी in the past couple of weeks the vibrancy has increased. So
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Madam, this is Ravichandran
हाँ,
from
Ravichandran
Chennai.
ji, tell me.
I had actually kept a red cloth and a red cash box as you suggested last week and kept it in the south, and with the 2 cloves in my wallet and 6 cloves in the box. And what was amazing is, as you rightly said, discounts did come, and money did come in small amounts from unexpected sources. Some 11 rupees coming into the account, 500 rupees coming as cash, and about 4,000 rupees coming as discount.
Wow.
And the amazing thing is, somebody called me up and asked for money. That person never calls me up. I was so amazed. He just called me up and he said, "Can you help me out? It's COVID." I said, "I'm also in a situation. I'm also 4 months at home. So how can I help you?" I was amazed.
And,
Totally unconnected person. So he
Totally,
called and asked for
that's-
money. So that was amazing. And I 7 days without spending or giving to anybody. And so from today I've started spending because today is the 8th day.
Wonderful. Wonderful. And
So-
better than this now. So most of you have all experienced magic. So what I always tell is, where logic ends, magic begins. So, okay.
So how do I take it forward from today?
वो
अब
clock-
जी लो अपनी
clock का
जिंदगी.
क्या करने का है?
वो वैसे
वो अभी वो
मैंने
लोग-
आपको बताया था, पिछला वीडियो चेक कर लो.
So the whole
लोगों का
process
क्या
is over
करना
from today.
No, you have to check the cloud. अगर उसका माथा टूट गया है,
हाँ.
your cloud-
Yeah,
if your cloud's head is broken or something like that,
no,
then you have to replace it.
No, I've actually checked the clause and changed it today. Today is the 8th day.
Wonderful.
So
You
I've changed
changed
it
all
today.
of them? Did you change all of them?
Yes, all of them.
Did you listen to the video clearly? Did I tell you to change all of them?
That is how I understood it. I thought you have to change it after 7 days. That's what I thought.
I told you the cloud which, if you find the cloud's head is broken, then you change it. Listen to the video again. एक बार में समझ नहीं आएगा, 3 बार देखना पड़ेगा. और
Hello.
आपने 3 बार देखना पड़ेगा और 3 जन को शेयर करना पड़ेगा, तब वो वीडियो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा.
Great.
Okay,
And if
Vijay
I
Goyal ji
have-
पूछ रहे कुछ.
And if I have two boxes of cash, do I keep 6 in each, 6 cloves in each cash box?
That day what I told you was energetically right for you that day. So you just remember what is that day, because today your energies are different. Today, since morning, there is a different energy that you're working with. So I cannot tell you about today. Again, we'll have to do another reading. हाँ विजय जी पूछिए.
मैडम जनवरी 2019 मेरी वॉइस जो है हाँ एकदम खराब हो गई। अभी तो थोड़ा
Okay.
बहुत मैं आप तक आ पा रही है मोबाइल पे, वंस
Okay.
आमने सामने में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है। इसके लिए कोई
Okay.
रेमेडी मेडिकली कुछ निकल नहीं रहा है।
आप अभी जो हम सवेरे जो कर रहे हैं आज से, मतलब कल से आप जो शुरू करेंगे, मॉर्निंग में जो ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट एक्सरसाइज है, 11 इनहेलेशन 11 एक्सहेलेशन, आपने स्पेसिफिकली क्या करना है, जब आप इनहेल करेंगे ना तो आप यहाँ पे ये थ्रोट चक्र पे आप
Right.
ब्लू लाइट देखिएगा, ब्लू लाइट, ठीक है?
Right.
इनहेल ब्लू लाइट एंड एक्सहेल एनीथिंग दैट, आपने ब्लू लाइट इनहेल करना है, इनहेल करिए ब्लू। अभी हम करते हैं, विल डू अ लाइव बिकॉज ही इज वेरी, आई मीन यू नो वी नीड टू हेल्प हिम, सो विल डू दिस। विजय जी आप एक काम करिए, आप जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज, विल डू अ, if all of you can do it, and we'll also you'll also know जिनको भी ये प्रॉब्लम है ऐसे जिनको होता रहता है गले में, there is an issue.
मेरा एक्चुअली मेरा वॉइस ही चला गया।
y'all have a, विजय जी हो जाएगा, अगर डिवाइन ने चाहा तो हो जाए। रिलैक्स, जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज, ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट। ये आपने जो कल एक्सरसाइज करने हैं सारे ने, today we are doing one special one for Vijay ji, and what you will do, you can practice it, okay? So only Vijay ji or all of you can do this. You can inhale. When you're inhaling, inhale the energy, hold the blue light, blue light यहाँ पे जैसे शिवा का होता है, hold the blue light in your throat chakra, allow the blue light to heal your expression. Allow the blue light to heal. Blue has the power to heal you from, blue has the power to give you immunity strength. So inhale this energy, hold it here for some time. Vijay ji, आप बाकी सब लोग जो हैं वो पूरे blue light आपके पूरे body में inhale कर सकते हैं. Inhale the blue light and exhale anything that does not serve you anymore. Is it clear?
शिविता जी आपकी वॉइस कट रही है, पता नहीं क्यों आज पहली दफे वॉइस कट रही है आपकी।
पहली दफे वॉइस कट रही है, ठीक है, we'll do it again. Inhale the energy of blue light, hold it at your throat chakra. Throat chakra यहाँ शिवा के जैसे होते हैं वैसा. Inhale, hold it at your throat chakra. विजय जी आप hold करिए, और जिनको भी throat issues हैं, this also heals your cough and cold. This heals a lot of your voice issues. Hold करिए वो blue light को.
What is that blue light? मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ.
Blue light, visualize blue light. It's an energy of healing. Healing energy is blue. आप visualize करिए, आ जाएगा. Blue light नहीं दिख रहा मेरे हाथ, देखो यूनिवर्स ने मेरे हाथ में blue pen का कलर लगाया आज to show you blue light. So inhale, hold it at your throat center and allow, and now exhale. All others can inhale the blue light and allow it to flow through your whole system, through your whole body, and exhale anything that does not serve you anymore. ये 11 cycle करना है. We've done 1, we'll do 2. Inhale, feel the energies healing. Inhale and exhale. Allow the blue light to heal you. Allow the blue light to create the immunity strength in you. Allow the blue light to help you to express. 11 cycle कर रहे हैं. 1 more, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to hold the light. I'm doing it faster because Atul ji बोलेंगे time नहीं है. 8.
सब कुछ अब अतुल जी के नाम पर पढ़ दो बस.
9, 10 and 11. Vijay ji आप hold करिएगा. Now you just see the blue light in your throat center and just say, I choose to express myself with ease and grace. Mentally बोलना, I choose to express myself with ease and grace. I choose to express myself with ease and grace. And 3 more things you will repeat is, I have freedom of expression. I can express easily. I am expressing easily. अब विजय जी एक अच्छी सी आवाज में अपना नाम बताइए.
विजय गोयल.
How is your voice now?
मैडम as it is, कोई चेंज नहीं है.
आपको नहीं लगता? हमको सुनाई दे रहा है.
yes.
Srividya, also I got somewhat I heard
got
change.
an energy shift.
मैडम मेरे बारे में जो है, आप आज जब भी आप फ्री रहेंगे कभी तो मेरे बारे में एक बार थॉट करिएगा, आपको कुछ डिफरेंट दिखेगा. समथिंग
वो मुझे पता है, वो मुझे पता है. वो हम यहाँ नहीं हील कर सकते. हमने आपको सिर्फ बेसिक वो जो आप जो 3 साल पहले आप कुछ करके आए हैं साथ में अपने, वो आपको रिजॉल्व करना है, लेकिन वो यहाँ नहीं हो सकता. बट बेसिक्स आपके मैटर तो सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. वो मैंने ऑलरेडी चेक कर लिया है विजय जी, इसलिए मैं आपको बार बार कह रही हूँ.
नहीं वो नहीं बोलो, आपकी बात से मैं एग्री हूँ, मगर आप कभी ध्यान में रहेंगे तब मेरे बारे में
यू कैन टेक. हम वो जो आपके जो इश्यूज चल रहे हैं जिसके वजह से काफी ब्लॉकेजेस हैं आपको, जिसके वजह से स्टमक के प्रॉब्लम्स भी शुरू हो चुके हैं, वो सब आप रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यू कैन कनेक्ट on 901755. वो सेशन यहाँ नहीं हो सकता, पॉसिबल नहीं है वो, और वो एक सेशन में हील भी नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपकी वॉइस बेटर हो जाएगी. आप ये प्रैक्टिस करिए. दिस इज योर इनहेलिंग पॉजिटिव प्राणा, योर एनहांसिंग द काला थेरेपी. ये अलग चीज है, लेकिन आपके जो इश्यूज हैं वो अलग हैं. वो वैसे रिजॉल्व ऐसे रिजॉल्व नहीं होंगे, ऐसे सिर्फ उसको थोड़ा सा बेटर होगा. जो मेजर आपका इशू है, जो एनर्जी का प्रॉब्लम है, आपको खुद को पता है कैसे हुआ है, कहाँ से हुआ है, आपको भी पता है. 3-3.5 साल पहले हुआ है, कहाँ से लेकर आए हो वो भी आपको पता है.
33 इयर्स हो गए आज.
लेकिन मेरे पास
33 इयर्स हो गए.
मुझे 33 का नंबर आया. 3 साल हुआ, 3.5 साल हुआ, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन लास्ट 3.5 years यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग अ लॉट, ये पता चलता है. आप पहले तो क्रॉस लेग बैठे हैं, क्रॉस लेग मत बैठिएगा, थोड़ा सा स्पेस दीजिए, नहीं तो मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगी. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि आप जो मुझे फ्रीक्वेंसीज बताते हैं मुझे उससे समझ में आता है, लेकिन मुझे नंबर्स फील होते हैं, समझ में आते हैं. तो आप वो हम जब डिटेल में बात करेंगे, मुझे लंबा बात करना पड़ेगा आपके साथ, तब हम डिस्कस करके बताएंगे. एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू कनेक्ट टू मी कैन टॉक टू मी ऑन 7039011755. I have the freedom of expression. I am expressing myself freely, and I choose to express myself freely. He can go ahead with that. That will solve your throat issues a lot. बहुत बार क्या होता है, कफ stuck हो जाता है यहाँ पे, and then you are not able to express. This can also help in asking, when you asking for a raise of money. आपको अगर जॉब में है या पेमेंट मांगना है, तभी आप ये कर सकते हो. या शमी जी, my number is 703-901-1755.
Please repeat, madam.
703-901-1755. Follow me on Facebook at Srividya Iyer, my page. और ये वीडियो फिर से देखना, सबको शेयर करना है, और सबने सबको बोलना है कि ग्रोथ भी ज्वाइन करो, ना ऐसे अच्छे वाले प्रोग्राम्स नहीं मिलेंगे.
And also, if you join
announce करना हो आपको,
there are so many things which she keeps updating us every day.
अगर किसी को नींद का इशू हो तो मेरे को 9:30 से 10:30 के बीच में कोई भी कॉल कर सकता है. मुझे नाम वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है, उसको नींद आएगी. मेरे को 30 सेकंड फोन पे बात करेगा, उसको नींद आएगी. कोई भी आदमी 9:30 to 10:30 ये डेडिकेटेड टाइम है मेरा. इसके लिए किसी को नींद का इशू हो 30 सेकंड बात करना है मुझे.
पर आप अपनी एनर्जी थोड़ी सी और बैलेंस कर लीजिए विजय जी. आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं, पर अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करके करिए.
मैं संभाल नहीं पा रहा हूँ एनर्जीज है.
आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करिए. आपने बहुत एनर्जीज, आप एक्चुअली नहीं समझ पा रहे, आपको ग्राउंडिंग की बहुत जरूरत है. आप अपने पास एक ब्रास का आइटम रखिए विजय जी, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. आप प्लीज हमसे बात करिए, मैं आपको मेरे गुरुजी से भी बात कराऊंगी. आपकी एनर्जी बहुत चैनलाइज होनी जरूरी है.
बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। आप बिल्कुल
बहुत
सही कहा।
ज्यादा जो है कभी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, आप कभी डिस्ट्रप्टिव हो जाते हो, आप कभी अग्रेसिव हो जाते हो। आपको
You are 100%
बैलेंस
right.
करना जरूरी है, आपको बैलेंस करना जरूरी है। आपने बहुत कुछ अच्छा ज्ञान प्राप्त किया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, जय गुरु जी फॉर दैट। बट
Thank you.
आपको बैलेंस करना जरूरी है। आप अपने आप को तकलीफ दे रहे हैं।
Right.
आप करिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है, पर अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट तो करिए। उसके बाद आप अपने कॉर्ड्स भी नहीं कट कर रहे हैं, आप अटैच हो रहे हैं लोगों के साथ। आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ? आपके
Right.
साथ 5 मिनट में कोई रेमेडी नहीं दे पाएंगे हम। आपको बात करनी पड़ेगी, लंबी बात करनी।
Right, मैडम, ठीक है। मैं अपने साथ
ठीक है?
कांटेक्ट है। Right.
हाँ,
Okay,
किसी को
Ji.
कुछ और
Thank
पूछना
you.
है?
Thank you, Sri Vidya. It has been an awesome session like ever before. So, as we were saying that 99 not out. कल से हमारी 100 plus की जो पारी है वो शुरू हो रही है.
100.
So I
Yes.
invite all of you to come tomorrow for the session. It is going to be our 100 completion of 100 days of the CEO talks.
Wow.
आप सब लोग आए, अपने साथ में 10-10 लोगों को लेकर आए. We really want to see 100 people on this talk tomorrow. All right. अगर आपको लगा है कि जी आपने कुछ वैल्यू अभी तक यहाँ से पाई है, then definitely spread the word around. There is something really exciting coming for you tomorrow. Okay. Let me take a couple of minutes to talk about the CEO talks, how the journey has been so far. And then I will also share with you what exciting is coming tomorrow. All right.
Yes, go ahead.
CEO talks got started on the 25th of March 2020. More than 7,000 unique participants so far. It got locked down during the lockdown, unlocked during the lockdown. Various topics on which we've had conversations so far are sales, marketing, branding, learning and development, industrial engineering, information technology, business automation, business opportunities, accounting and compliance, legal compliance, investment options, and divine intervention. All right, thanks Srividya for that. Saturdays we have what we call as the Industry Connect, which is the panel discussion wherein we invite various people from various industry associations or other people who are contributing in the larger way. And we have had various conversations so far. On Saturdays, the conversation happens at 9:30 a.m. On Sundays, we have what we call as Chapal, experience laziness. So this one day we don't talk business. We have conversation on topics which are unrelated to business, wherein you get to know each other better. This again happens at 9:30 in the morning. Okay. These are some of our community partners: Empowerment Talks, Institute of Digital Marketing, PBN Global, Federation of Buying Agents, Synergy, Lajja, BNP Cafe, Anwa, and Get Overbooked. If you are somebody who would like to partner with us, who would like to contribute to expand the word around, we'll be glad to speak to you. The people behind the CEO talks are eGrowth. eGrowth is the world's first BAD ecosystem. BAD stands for Business Advisory and Business Development. Our only purpose in life is to empower and enable businesses. We intend to impact 4 million business owners by 2025. We believe that we can have an Atmanirbhar Bharat only if we have a Saksham entrepreneur. तो अगर आप सक्षम होंगे तभी एक आत्मनिर्भर भारत खड़ा हो पाएगा, और आप अगर सक्षम होना चाहते हैं तो हम आपकी सक्षम होने में मदद करने को तैयार हैं. The journey started in 2014 and we are at around 30,000 business owners right now from various industries, from various cities. Last count was around 107 cities. These are some of the images of various engagements that we've done in the past. From 2014 till 2017, we were in a stealth mode. In 2017, we went on a road trip to Punjab. Here are some images from the Punjab road trip. And then we also went on a road trip to West India, so Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. These are some images from there. And then we also partnered with Startup India for their Startup India Uttar Pradesh Yatra. These are some images from there. We also we participated in a boot camp in Jadugoda, which is close to Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. Here we impacted 35 tribals to start their own agricultural business. Right now, they are already exporting to Dubai and to other places. Okay. And we have been doing various initiatives to take entrepreneurship to the next level. Right now here what you see is some initiatives which we participated in or we organized in Simla, Udaipur, Kanpur, and we also did a boot camp with the Dalmia Bharat group. We have been consistently doing events with women, especially for women. These are called Celebrating Womanhood. In 2020, we did the third season for this. We also introduced something called as the leverage model, which is a model to design your business. Here is some media coverage in Hindi, Tamil, as well as English. We also have some coverage in the online media. You can see us, search us up on Google. How is it that you can associate with eGrowth? There are online resources. We got a portal called egrowth.org. Our social media handle is egrowth.org, and we're available on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, as well as Telegram. We do a lot of active engagement through networking meetings, introduction to eGrowth, CEO talks, buyer seller meetings, delegations. We also have a very interesting invite-only platform, which is called as eGrowth Inner Circle. This is open only to select people, and only if you've got a nationwide or a global business, only then you're welcome here. And we also do a lot of trainings and workshops. Inner Circle is exclusive structure for B2B enterprise businesses and solutions. Hand-picked members. Right now we've got 35 of them, and we will go to around 50, and then maybe we'll start another Inner Circle. Average experience is 26 years. Right now the total experience will be in the range of around 800 plus years. So last count was 875 years. Global reach. Every Friday there's a team which manages the Inner Circle, distributed consulting, peer-to-peer conversations, and it's an online platform. We work on 5 elements. The first one is opportunities, second degree contacts, problem solving, knowledge, network with industry bodies. Okay. We invite you to subscribe to eGrowth. You would be seeing a new subscription today, which is called Basic. I'll speak a little bit more about it immediately after this slide. The second is Premium, and the third one is Inner Circle. So today on the 1st of July, we are just changing the way we have been subscribing or inviting people to subscribe. And we invite you to Basic subscription. The benefits that you get is you have access to a curated network, privileged access, online engagement, as well as offline engagement. You can get the contact details of all the people on the platform. You can post your blogs and articles to promote your business. You can post requirements as well as offers so that you get more leads from this platform. All right. And if you participate in events, you pay as you go. The validity is only 1 year, and it is priced at only 3,000 rupees for 1 year. And as a very, very, very special offer, we are extending it as 1,000 plus GST. If you think you have got some value by participating in the CEO talk so far or otherwise, you must please consider to subscribe. So you go to our portal egrowth.org. There is a section for subscription. Within that, there is Basic subscription. Go there, read more about it, and subscribe today itself. This was a little bit about the CEO Talks and eGrowth. If you want to reach out to me, you can call me at 9899116054. You can write to me at atul@egrowth.org. I'll respond to your mails. So yeah, so how was it? So how many of you are considering to go in for the Basic subscription? Those of you who are not subscribed so far.
Yeah, I will be doing it.
Thank you, sir.
Atulji, I am also interested. I am also interested in this, Atulji.
Fantastic.
I will
Yeah.
be making it viral. I will be getting a proposal from you and I will be making it viral.
Fantastic. Thank you. So Shripad ji is the founder of BBN Global, which is Brahman Business Network. So if you are a Brahmin and you want to get connected to all the Brahmin entrepreneurs across the globe, please get in touch with Mr. Shripad Kulkarni. He's doing an awesome job. Today, they already have chapters not only in India, but as well as globally. So we are working with them, and to all the BBN global members, we are looking at what additional, what better we can provide. We are committed to help the Brahmin business owners. So thank you, Shripad ji. Thanks for taking this up, and thanks for helping to make it viral. All right. And how about the others?
And how about your premium and other packages, sir?
So who's this? Shami, right?
Yeah, Shami, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So what I can do is, if you can just share your number, I'll get back to you and I'll let you know. Okay. So
I'll message it to you.
Yeah, please do that. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. No problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah, great. Anybody else? Ramesh ji.
Yeah.
So are you considering to subscribe?
Yes.
All right. So by when?
In 1 or 2 days.
Fantastic. Awesome. And Sheetal?
Sure. In this week only.
Fantastic. Awesome. And Sudhaji?
हेलो.
Yes, Sudhaji.
सॉरी यार, मैं जरा दूसरा काम, क्या था
क्वेश्चन ये था कि जी क्या आप ई ग्रोथ को सब्सक्राइब करेंगी? अभी हमने एक जो ऑफर दिया, which is only 1000 rupees plus GST for a year.
हाँ, एक ईयर का. उसमें क्या क्या है? आपको टाइम नहीं ना अभी बोलने. मैं
अभी टाइम नहीं रहेगा. हाँ जी.
हाँ. अभी नेक्स्ट इसमें मैं करूंगी.
ठीक है, great है जी. All right, thank you. So now coming to what is going to happen tomorrow. So first is we are already at 6 minutes past 4. I seek an extension for another 4 minutes so that I can create with you what we are going to do tomorrow. So one initiative I just share with you, which is the basic subscription. This is the most economical. You will not have any B2B platform which gives you a subscription at this level. Even the associations, the government-run associations, they don't give you subscription at these kind of rates. Okay, in this what you get is you get access to 30,000 business owners, their contact details, and on top of it you get to participate in CEO talks and these kind of number of initiatives that we bring. All right, tomorrow we are going to introduce our mentors. Okay, we have started with something called as the mentor board, wherein we are cultivating mentors for various regions so that you can get served better in your local region itself. One of our mentors is Mr. Shripad Kulkarni, who is taking care of rest of Maharashtra, so outside of Greater Mumbai. Okay, we've got a gentleman named Mr. Sukdeepak Malwai, who's there for Greater Mumbai. We've got a gentleman named Dr. GV Kumar, who is there for Chennai and Tamil Nadu. We've got a person named Mr. Kiran Jurani, who's from the United States. We've got a person named Sanjay Lal, who's for Canada. We are in talks with people for Dubai, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, as well as for Australia. And within India also, we are looking for people from different localities and different cities. We will be coming back to you on that. We will have a complete knowledge hub so that you get support in your region, also for the industry that you are in, such that your business grows. Do you think this is something interesting?
Yeah. Yes.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. So this is what we are going to launch tomorrow. We will have some of our mentors tomorrow. So do come. So I thought what else we could deliver on the 100th day celebration. And I thought this is something which will be helpful to you, which will be in service to the entrepreneur of India. एक सक्षम entrepreneur बनाने के लिए ये हमारी एक पहल है. So this is what we intend to do tomorrow. So do come tomorrow and do invite a lot of people, all the entrepreneurs. So Vijay ji, मैं जानता हूँ कि जी आप लघु उद्योग भारती के साथ में associated हैं. Do invite your members or other friends and fellows who can get benefit from this. Malvika ji, if I'm not wrong, आप जो हैं आप मोहाली इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन के साथ में associated है ना मालविका जी? Hello. Not able to hear you. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Hello, Malvika ji.
हाँ जी.
हाँ जी. So आप
very
Mohali
good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. You are from Mohali Industry Association,
Actually,
right? We're losing you. All right. So nonetheless, I'll speak to you, Malvika ji, separately. And
I will be subscribing, sir.
Yeah, most welcome. I'm saying you are from Mohali Industries Association, right? Sorry, we're losing. So, but what I'm saying, and also Ravinder ji, you are associated with DigiGaon. So I invite you to invite a lot of entrepreneurs who are associated with the DigiGaon initiative, so that we have more than 100 people tomorrow for this landmark event, and we will definitely be live on Facebook. Let us have a few thousand people. So day before yesterday, when Mr. Chima was live, we had a viewership of 1,500 people on Facebook. With Sri Vidya, we have had the live viewership of up to 800 people. Let us breach this mark. Let us have 5,000 people on Facebook and 100 people on Zoom. This will be really awesome. This will be a great beginning for each one of us. So let us do this and let's catch up tomorrow.
Sir, please, please WhatsApp tomorrow's link.
I'll do that. I'll do that. All right. See you. Bye.
All right, Rahulji. Thanks. Bye.
And thank you, Sri Vidya. You've done an awesome job. You're making all of us rich.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Sir, please send me today's recording because I was late.
I'll do that. I'll do that.